Hello and welcome. Today we're going to delve into the cornerstone of healthy eating, 5 essential foods. These 5 foods not only aid in weight management, but also provide your body with essential nutrients it needs. Each contains different vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients vital for health. By watching this video, you'll gain the knowledge necessary to embark on a healthy lifestyle. So let's dive in and explore what these foods are and why they matter. Chicken. Chicken breast, being a low-fat protein source, aligns with weight management goals by aiding in satiety. It contains high-quality protein that supports muscle development and provides a feeling of fullness, reducing the risk of overeating and helping to control weight gain. Additionally, its low-calorie nature makes it a preferred choice as part of a healthy diet. Chicken breast, as a significant component of a balanced nutrition plan, can assist in achieving weight management objectives and sustaining a healthy lifestyle. Fish, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, supports heart health and can aid in weight management efforts. Omega-3 fatty acids in fish, such as salmon and mackerel, contribute to cardiovascular wellness by reducing inflammation and promoting optimal heart function. Moreover, these healthy fats promote satiety, helping to control appetite and potentially prevent overeating. By incorporating fish into a balanced diet, individuals can enjoy its dual benefits of supporting heart health and facilitating weight maintenance, making it a valuable addition to a weight-conscious lifestyle. Eggs. Eggs are a valuable addition to a weight-conscious diet due to their satiating properties and nutrient content. Packed with high-quality protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins, eggs contribute to a feeling of fullness, aiding in weight management efforts. Additionally, the protein in eggs supports lean muscle development, which is crucial for a toned physique and a healthy metabolism. By incorporating eggs into your meals, you can enjoy a satisfying and nutritious option that aligns with your goals of maintaining or achieving a healthy weight. Yogurt. Yogurt is a digestive-friendly and nutritious option that can be integrated into a diet conducive to weight management goals. Rich in protein and probiotics, yogurt improves digestion and supports gut health. By regulating the digestive process, it reduces digestive discomfort and maintains intestinal health. Additionally, with its low-fat content, yogurt helps control weight gain. Incorporating yogurt into your daily nutrition routine can support your digestive system and contribute to a healthy lifestyle. Olive oil. Olive oil, rich in healthy fats, complements weight-conscious diets by enhancing flavor and promoting satiety. However, portion control is crucial as fats are calorie-dense. Incorporating olive oil into meals adds depth of taste while providing a satisfying feeling of fullness, which can help prevent overeating and support weight management efforts. Being mindful of portion sizes ensures the benefits of olive oil without exceeding calorie goals. Including olive oil as part of a balanced diet with proper portion control contributes to maintaining a healthy weight and overall well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey through essential foods for a healthier lifestyle. We hope you found valuable insights into how these foods can support your well-being and weight management goals. Remember, incorporating these foods into your diet can have a significant impact on your overall health. Stay committed to making nutritious choices, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your health objectives. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on leading a healthy lifestyle. Wishing you all the best on your health journey.